Maytag top-load washers often fail to agitate, which means they don't stir the clothes during the wash cycle, or spin, which removes water during rinse and spin cycles. These problems usually stem from three main reasons: a faulty lid lock switch, a malfunctioning actuator, or control board errors. The issues can come from wear and tear, electrical problems, or software glitches. Identifying the cause is the first step to fixing the problem. The lid lock switch prevents the washer from operating when the lid is open, ensuring safety during cycles. If the lid lock switch becomes faulty, often due to corrosion, it can halt the washer's agitation and spin cycles. Watch for lid locked error messages on the control panel. First, try cleaning the lid lock switch with contact cleaner to remove corrosion and restore functionality. If cleaning the switch doesn't resolve the issue, replace the faulty lid lock switch. These are commonly available replacement parts for Maytag washers. When replacing or testing, use a multimeter to check for continuity in the switch connections. The actuator, also called the shift actuator, is a key component in Maytag washers that shifts the transmission between agitate and spin modes. When the actuator fails due to wear from heavy loads or power surges, the washer may get stuck in one mode, either only agitating or only spinning. Common causes include excessive wear from overloaded washing cycles and electrical power surges that damage the actuator mechanism. To test the actuator, you can bypass the control board temporarily for diagnostics to check if the actuator shifts between modes properly. If the actuator is faulty and doesn't shift properly, it needs to be replaced with a compatible part to restore normal washer operation. The control board is the brain of the washer, managing all cycles and operations. Faults in this component can cause various issues. This is what the control board looks like: a complex electronic circuit board with components and connectors. Many faults can be resolved with a simple reset. First, unplug the washer for 1 minute to clear any temporary glitches. Then plug it back in and run a diagnostic cycle to test the functions. For smart washers, the Whirlpool app provides advanced diagnostics. Use it for remote resets and to analyze error codes like F7 for lid lock faults. The app helps analyze specific error codes. For instance, F7 indicates a lid lock fault, guiding you to the right fix. Many fixes, like cleaning or replacing the lid lock and resetting the control board, are DIY-friendly. However, complex issues like control board replacements often require a professional. The average repair cost is $150 to $300, excluding parts. If unsure, consult a technician. Modern Maytag washers display error codes on their control panels to help diagnose problems. For example, the D5 error code often indicates a problem with the actuator or shift actuator that controls the washer's movement between agitate and spin modes. The F7 error code typically signals a lid lock switch problem, preventing the washer from operating if the lid isn't properly secured. Other common codes include SD for spin drive problems and LF for water flow issues. Consult your washer's manual or the Whirlpool app for a complete list of error codes and their meanings. Knowing the specific error code can significantly speed up the troubleshooting process by pointing you directly to the faulty component. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding future agitation and spin problems with your Maytag washer. First, avoid overloading your washer. Too many clothes can strain the motor and transmission, leading to agitation and spin failures. Second, regularly clean the lid lock switch. Corrosion from moisture can cause it to fail, preventing the washer from agitating or spinning. Third, for smart washers, ensure firmware is up to date. Updates from Whirlpool fix bugs that can cause actuator and control board issues. Following these maintenance steps will extend your washer's life and reduce the need for costly repairs. Safety first when repairing your Maytag washer. Before any repair, unplug the washer to avoid electrical shock. Avoid water contact with electrical components. If you're uncomfortable with any step, call a certified technician. Safety is paramount when working with appliances.